now it's time to start to write our first HTML code. But the main question is where we will write it, where we will write our HTML code. So you have a lot of options. The first option, for example, is that if you will create a text file, ordinary text file, the abbreviation is txt. So if you have something like this and you will open it, you can write HTML here. For example, if you need to write a paragraph, it means some piece of text, it will go like this. This is paragraph, okay? But the problem is that you need to write every single letter, every single mark one by one, and it's a waste of time. It's very slow. Nothing will check the errors, I mean some mistakes, and so on and so on. So it isn't a good idea, okay? So we have a better option where we will write our code, and the better option is that we will use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a text editor, but it's a better text editor than .txt. So if you will go to this website, you will see this, or you will have this link in the material. I mean, the link to the material will be in every single video on YouTube in description, so you can check it. And if you will go to this URL code.visualstudio.com, so here you can download it. Because I have a Windows, here is download for Windows. If you have Mac, here will be download for Mac. So you will click on it, and you will just wait for download. Okay, after you will download it, you just click on it, and there will be that you need to agree with some conditions, and after that there will be next install, and that's it. Okay, nothing special there. And at the beginning there is an option to choose a language, so please choose an English. It's the best option. Okay, so you will choose the language, after that agree conditions, and next install, and that's it. Okay, I will stop it, and after that you will finish it. You will have this icon here, or you can find it here, Visual Studio Code, and you just click on it. Okay, nothing special here. I will open it, and the Visual Studio will looks like this. Maybe here will be some welcome page and things like that. It isn't important. The main point is that you are able to run a Visual Studio Code which looks like this. Okay, and in the next video I would like to show you how to set your Visual Studio Code, and so your setting will be the same like mine setting, and we will speak about that in the next video. Okay.